Hello, I'm so glad you came.
Kanina pa kita tinatawag.
Wala na ako yung gatukinig ko. Kailangan ko na ito ilabas. Bakit?
I love to see the ocean's beauty.
Balang araw, mapapakinggan ko to na live. Tapos, malalaman niya na ako yung pinaka-number 1 pa niya.
Bakit ka naman mapapansin? Dilulo na tong anak mo, Tita Esther, oh.
John Boy, that was Philippine Families present a brand collab. Oh my gosh! John Boy ko.
You're a fan.
Then, Waki, can you do Waki?
Walking?
Yeah, Waki.
Ah, okay.
You know what? You should try that. It's really delicious, I promise. Sige, dito pumunta ka dito. I'll introduce you to my friend. This is George. He is the songwriter I told you about.
Di ko kayang simulan pag nagkita kayo.
Just look at this one.
Alam ba kung anong gusto mong mangyari? Di patay na patay ka dyan sa tiyan mo.
Pakisabi na lang mahal ko siya. Di na baling may mahal siyang iba. Pakisabi huwag siyang alala. Di ako umaasa. Alam kong ito'y malabo. Di ko na mababago. Ganun pa man, pakisabi na lang. I love to see in fields of green, looking deeply through the sky, watching birds as they
Kaya best friend kita eh.
Best friend.
Yes, best friend.
Would it be nice to hold someone